Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to transfer files from SD card to internal storage using your OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to File Manager in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in File Manager, okay, select the SD card. Okay, click SD card. And okay guys, here in SD card, okay, select the file you want to transfer to your internal storage or phone storage. Okay, so okay, I select the folder here. Okay, and I choose the image I want to transfer to internal storage. Okay, to select, you have to do is click the select button on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, you can see the square on the left side of the image. Okay, you can select one by one or you can select all by clicking the select all button on the upper left side on your screen. And okay guys, the square are all in check if you select the select all. And okay guys, to transfer the file or the image to your internal storage, you only have to do is, okay, go to below and okay, select the cut. So okay, click the cut. And okay, after you select the cut, okay, go back and go back again. And okay, you can see the phone storage and click the phone storage. And okay guys, here in phone storage, okay, you can see below the paste button. Okay, you can create the new folder or you can paste it in phone storage. Okay, I decide to create a new folder. Okay, click new folder, and if you want, so okay, and create folder name. So okay, after that, okay, click save. And okay, you'll have to do is go to your folder you create. Okay, click the folder you created, and after that, okay, you can see below the paste. You'll have to do to transfer the file here in phone storage on this folder. Okay, you'll have to do is click the paste. And okay guys, moving the files from the SD card to your internal storage or phone memory in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, my photo are transferred here in phone storage or internal storage. And okay guys, we have successfully transferred the files. And okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.